Hi friends, my name is Miss Dolan and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about living and non-living things. Let's get started. Materials. All you guys need are your smart brains. Your guys' learning target today is that you should be able to tell the difference between a living and non-living thing. So what is a living thing? A living thing is something that is alive or shows characteristics of being alive. For example, that includes human beings, plants, bacteria, insects, animals, reptiles, mammals, trees, and mosses. So what do living things need? They need air, food, water, and the correct habitat. Quick question for you guys. Are we a living or non-living thing? Correct, we are living things because we need oxygen to breathe, we need food in our tummies, and we need water to drink. So what's a non-living thing? A non-living thing is the opposite of a living thing. Things that which cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any life to them. An example of non-living things include chairs, tables, books, beds, newspapers, clothes, bed sheets, curtains, bags, pens, and many more. So now I want to do some together. Is this piece of cake living or non-living? Non-living, great job. What about this cute little duckling? Living or non-living? Does this duckling need water? What about food? What about oxygen? If you said yes to all three of those, that means they must be living. Good job. What about bacteria? I know this one's tricky, but think about it. Correct, living. Perfume. Does perfume have any life to them? Nope, so that must mean they are non-living. Great job, guys. So now I want you guys to try on your own and tell me if these things are living or non-living. Puppy dogs, living or non-living? Living. Plants, living or non-living? Living. Good job. What about tennis shoes? Do tennis shoes need to eat food to survive? Nope, so they must be non-living. What about butterflies? Living or non-living? Living. Great job. What about a basketball? Non-living. Great. So now I want to talk about sharks with you guys. Are sharks living or non-living? Living. Great job, because sharks need food to eat, they need water, and they need oxygen to breathe. And what's different about a shark and us? They have different habitats. We couldn't live in the ocean, but a shark has to live in the ocean. Now I want you guys to jot down things that you already know about sharks. It could be anything. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed with your guys' answers. I can't believe how much you guys already know. Some kids know that sharks live in the oceans. Some know that there's a great white shark. Others know that they have many teeth. I am so proud of you guys. One other question, I want you guys to name some sharks that you've heard of before. If you don't know any, that's okay because we are going to learn. The sharks that we will be focusing on are the great white shark and the hammerhead shark. We're going to look more into sharks in the next couple presentations that I do with you guys, and I can't wait. You guys had a great time. You guys did great work, and I can't wait to get to the next presentation with you guys. See you real soon.